Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, then you go down, come here to search profiles privately here, click in this sign or this color. So and you click here on OK here to change it to private mode. Like you see here, search profiles privately disabled with us now. So it's disabled with us now, like you say. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.